How to download and install Gauth. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open Play Store. Now, here on the right bottom, simply tap on the search icon. Now, on the top at the search bar, search for Gauth. So it will pop up in the top. Simply tap on it. Make sure that this is the right application. You can verify it by seeing the logo and verify it by seeing the company's name. Now, here on the bottom, tap on install. So the installation process has just begun. So what is this app about? Basically, this is an AI tool. Here you can have different talks and chats, and here it is a great companion to study together. Now you can simply open it and start using the app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.